A worn stabilizer bar bushing is one of the common causes of suspension noise and poor driving comfort. Stabilizer bar bushings reduce vibration and help maintain proper suspension control. Over time, rubber bushings can become hardened, cracked, and lose their ability to absorb vibration. DPANS manufactures suspension bushings with strict quality control to meet global aftermarket requirements. Contact DPANS for suspension parts sourcing solutions.